Viva Cordia, agus fáilte go mo Kishton. I'm here at the minute with Paul and Fintan.
Well, Sean.
And today we're going to cook an omelette. But like any other day, we have to make sure the first thing we do is wash our hands. Happy birthday to you. So I just started, I'm heating up my pan here, okay? I don't want my pan to get too hot, so I'm putting it on a low heat, and I'm just going to put a drop of olive oil on my pan, okay? Then I'm going to show you what to do with the garlic. Garlic's brilliant for you. What you do is, using a big knife, quite simple, just to get the skin off, is press down on it. Maybe get your parents to do it if you need to as well. You can see I've basically crushed the garlic, and the skin comes right off. So I'm just doing that, and I'm chopping this up nice and small, like that. I'm going to do the same with my chilies. Do you like chilies, lads?
Yeah.
Oh, I like them, yeah. Good, good.
He wakes up in the morning, Paul. Paul's a great man for being up early in the morning. He just have chilies nice and early. Isn't that right?
All early, never late.
Listen to this noise, the beautiful noise when chili and garlic starts to cook. Bad. Fintan, tell us, what do you put in your omelettes when you're making them?
Oh, no, that depends. But no, I normally go for the ham and cheese, Sean. A bit of chicken maybe the odd time, but no, I'd be a ham and cheese man. Ham and cheese,
Paul,
man.
what about you?
Yeah, I like the ham and cheese as well, and peppers maybe.
Okay, I'm going to take my time, chop my peppers into strips first of all. Then I'm turning them sideways and chopping them smaller again. And in all of this goes. Okay? The old phrase goes, you can't make an omelette without breaking a few eggs, so you're entitled to make a mess if needed. I remember starting to learn how to break eggs, and they went everywhere. But just take your time, give them a go. This is something every child needs to be able to learn eventually. So you're holding your bowl nice and steady. You're not trying to smash the egg totally. Just put a bit of a crack across the front. So I'm going like that. It might take 2 or 3 times to do it. And you can see there I have a hole put in the egg. I'm putting in my 2 thumbs. And out comes the egg. One more. Is 6. A bit of pepper. I love a bit of pepper in it. Now, again, something the kids can try, definitely give it a go, is whisking the eggs. You're not trying to make a mess, you're just trying to keep them in the bowl. Keep it whisked around and beat up the yolk. With my cherry tomatoes and just cut them in half. Now, the reason I don't put in the cherry tomatoes straight away is it tends to cook a lot quicker than the peppers do. And I like them kind of not just overcooked. You can overcook the tomato too much if you put them in too soon. I'm going to take these, I'm going to throw them in. Again, we'll hear the sizzle. Maybe we won't. Maybe I'm too cold to heat. And I'm going to get my eggs and just put them in now as well. Okay. Beating it up and just giving it a nice, even layer the whole way around. So I'm just keeping an eye on it here. What I'm doing is I'm just loosening it around the edges. I'm going to grate my cheese on top of it. Then put it under the grill, and that will help cook the top of it. Okay, we're just having a look now, lads. Look at that. Now that's what I'm talking about. So you can see now that it's kind of golden brown. It's not too much. And you can see when I move it, it's nice and loose. I'm just going to slide it on to one plate. So I'm not saying that I'm going to eat the whole thing myself, although I'd love to. I just slid it onto a plate there. And now I'm going to cut it on the plate. So the reason I didn't cut it on the pan was I don't want to ruin our pan. It's a good pan. You don't want to scratch it. So Fintan, here's your one.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you.
Now, a cup of tea with that would be nice. Paul,
beautiful.
Okay. I gave you the one with the least amount of tomatoes.
Thanks, Sean.
Keep the best section for myself. So that's us, lads. Dig in, give it a go.